Hello students, welcome to you all once again in your English class. Our today's topic is noun number, that is chapter number 2 of your English grammar book. So students, I already explained you about noun and its types. Okay, so in this video we'll read about noun number, types of numbers, example of all types of numbers, rules to make plural from singular. Okay, so let's see students first what is noun number. So number is that grammatical process that tells us the fact if the noun just one or more than one. Means the number tells us that in a sentence noun is one or more than one. Okay. So now let's see types of numbers. Nouns on the basis of numbers can be classified two types, singular and plural. So students, we know mathematically 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we use these number to count a thing, and in this number we use as a part of a noun. So let's see what is singular and plural. So singular number, a noun which refers to one person, animal, place or thing is said to be in the singular number. Okay, so any noun which you considering as one unit will be called as singular number. Let's see the example: park, country, table, chair, elephant, boy, etc. Okay, so here we are talking about whatever example I have written. So we are talking about only one. Okay, one park, one country, one table, one chair, one elephant, one boy. Okay, so these all are this called as a singular number. Plural number, a noun which refers to more than one person, animal, place or thing is said to be in the plural number. Okay, so any noun which we considering as a more than one, okay, so that is called a plural number. So let's see the example: parks, countries, tables, chairs, elephants, boys, etc. So as you can see here students, with each word we add s, okay, except country, there it is ies, okay, means it shows that they are more than one. So singular, as the name suggests, singular means one and the plural means many. Now rules to be followed. So here are some rules students to change how to change singular to plural. So, and trust me students, if you follow these rules and practice these rules again and again, so you will not face any difficulties, okay, to change from singular to plural. So let's see the rules. The rule number 1, the words which end with s, es, ch, sh or x are made plural by adding es in them. Okay, so if the word end with these letters, okay, so what will add to make plural? We add es. Okay, let's see the example. So the first example is bus. Okay, so as you can see here, the bus is the end with the letter s. Okay, means the last letter is s. Okay, so we if you want to make the plural of the bus, then we'll add es. Okay, so the bus will become buses. Okay, so the plural number of bus is buses. Box, it is the last letter is x, so we add es, then it will become boxes. Then dish, the last letters are sh and we add es with them, so the word dish will become dishes. So the church, churches. Okay, so if the words ends with this letter, so you have to add es. Okay, so please keep these things in your mind students. Okay. Now the next rule number 2, the words which end with o and there is a vowel before o, we add s to make the word plural. Okay, means if the word ends with letter o, okay, so we add es with the word to make the plural. And if there is a vowel before o, okay, so vowel means a, e, I, o, u. Okay, if there is a vowel before o, so we add s to make the plural. Let's see the example: bamboo. So here as you can see, the last letter is o and before o there is a vowel o. So we add s, then bamboo will become bamboos. Radio, radios. Cuckoo, cuckoos. Okay. Now let's see the rule number 3. The words which end o and there is a consonant letter before o, we add es to make the word plural. So it is just opposite to the rule number 2. Okay, what we saw there, if the last letter is o and before the o there is a vowel, so we add s. Okay, but if the last letter is o and before o there is a consonant, okay, so what will add to make plural? Es. Okay, as you can see here, see the example: tomato. So the last letter is O, okay, and before O what is here? T. So it is not vowel, it is consonant. So we add ES, not S, okay. So please remember these things in your mind, students. Hero. So hero, again the last letter is O, and before O there is a consonant. So hero will become heroes, and potato become potatoes. Now let's see the rule number 4. Okay, the words which end Y, and if there is a consonant letter before Y, we remove Y and add IES to make the word plural. Okay, so if the words ends with letter Y, so we remove Y and what will add? IES. So as you can see the example, city. So city, the last letter is Y, and before there is a consonant. So what will do? We remove Y and we add IES. So city will become cities. So baby become babies, and story will become stories. Okay. Now let's see the rule number 5. The words which end Y, and if there is a vowel, the plural is formed by adding S. So it is just opposite to the rule number 4. Okay. So if the last letter is Y, okay, and but before the Y there is a vowel, means that A, E, I, O, U. Okay. So what will do? Will not remove Y and will not add IES. Okay. Will add only S. Okay. So let's see the example. Play. So the last letter is Y, and before there is a vowel sound, okay, vowel letter. So what will do? Plays. Will add S only, will not remove Y and will not add IES. Okay. Now let's see the next. Monkey, monkeys, boy, boys. Now let's see the rule number 6. The words which end F or FE, we make the word plural by removing F or FE and add VES. Okay. So if the last letters are F or FE, so what will do? We remove that letters and what will add? VES. Okay. So let's see the example, knife. So the last letters are FE. So what will do? We'll remove FE and we add VES with it. Okay. So knife will become knives. Calf, calves. Wife, wives. Okay. So here as you can see students, here some examples, more examples are here. So these are the exceptions. Exceptions means they are not follow these rules. Okay. Here as you can see the last letter is F. Okay. But these words that not follow the rules of this. Okay. So please remember these words in your mind. You have to keep these words in your mind. They will not follow the rules of F or FE. Okay, so we'll add only S with it, will not remove F and will not add IES with them, VES with them. Okay, we will add only S with them. So roof, roofs, draft, drafts, chief, chiefs, handkerchief, handkerchiefs, proof, proofs. So please keep these words in your mind, students. Okay. Now let's see the rule number 7. Some singular nouns form the plural by changing the inside vowel. Okay. So here as you can see MAN. So here the inside vowel is changed, A changed into E. Okay. So man, men. Okay. Foot, 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 the inside vowels are changed and OO changed in EE. So FEET, feet. Tooth, teeth. Goose, geese. Woman, women. Mouse, mice. Okay. So in these words we have to change only the inside vowel. Now let's see the rule number 8. There are some nouns which are the same in singular and plural forms. Okay. So please keep these words in your mind, students. These are the words that will not follow any rules. Okay. And they are the same in the singular and plural both. So sheep, deer, fish, police, pair, dozen, music, etc. Okay. So if one fish is there, we say fish, but if many fish are there, so we cannot say fishes. Okay. We have to say many fish. We can add many with them. Okay. Will not add S and ES with them. If 1 dozen is there, so we say 1 dozen. If 10 dozen is there, so we cannot say 10 dozens. We have to say only 10 dozen. We cannot add S and ES with them. Okay, so they are the same in the singular and plural both. Now let's see the rule number 9. when forming the plural of compound words, we add as to the main word. Okay, so compound words means there are more than one word. Okay, so let's see the example, brother-in-law. So here brother-in-law, so what the main word are here? Brother. So we add s with the brother, okay, to make the plural. So brother-in-law, it will become brothers-in-law. So commander-in-chief, so commanders-in-chief. Step-daughter, so step-daughters. Now let's see the rule number 10. Nouns that are always plural. So here some words have given to you. These are always count as plural. Some noun cannot be used as singular. They are always used as plural. So we have to use them always plural. Goods, congratulations, scissors, clothes, sunglasses. Okay. Now let's see the rule number 11. Nouns that look plural but are singular in use. So these are the nouns that look plural but always used as a singular. So see the example. Some nouns look plural and with s but are singular in use. So don't be confused here with the words with add s, but it is not plural. They are always count as a singular. Mathematics, economics, news, gymnastics. Okay. Now rule number 12, nouns that look singular but are plural in use. So these are the nouns that look plural but always used as a singular. So some nouns look singular without and with s but are plural in use. So police, cattle, people, clergy. Okay. So these are the nouns, we not add s with them but they always count as a plural. So these are the rules, students. I hope with this video lecture it was very clear to you about the singular and plural and about the rules. So practice it again and again, and till then we'll meet in the next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.